Hi guys, part 2 of the broken chairs. See what we can make. I'm going to make a little ground level lounger, something that sits low down. I think I've got these lovely curved pieces of wood, and we've got all the fixings off the others, you know, what's left over after making the planter, as you can see in a previous video. I've already come up with a technique of where I think I can use some of these parts. I've set one part up here ready. I'm going to just try and use fittings to see the existing fittings. So I might have to screw some, do some more drill holes and fixings, but I'm going to try and make a little support, back support, a lounger that you can sit on. Like I say, I've got some old decking boards that have come out of a stable that I'm going to use for the slats. Okay. As you can see, I've now got my two side supports, one there ready to go, and one here, so that should act as a nice support. Not really sure how it's going to work out yet, whether it's really going to be practical, but it's fun trying, so we'll see how it goes. I'm going to just now connect them together with a middle support, and again some old timber that's come off a stable. As you can see, the main frame is sort of put together. I may just put another cross member across the middle, and even maybe just put a third leg down at the back for support. But yeah, it's coming on good. Well, we finished. We didn't really know where we was heading with this, but we've used the curved pieces of wood off the old broken chairs, some fixings and brackets, and it's made some nice supports. I'm going to have it on the deck. We've got a very small deck, so a full sun lounger would have took up too much room. This we can leave in the corner. We can get our lounger, place it on, and I've got somewhere for a siesta. So all in all, something out of nothing. It does the job. So if you like, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.